in the previous class we have learned the polygons, right? Yes, in this class we are going to learn about the three-dimensional shapes, or we can also call it as 3D shapes. Yes, what do you mean by the three-dimensional shape? If the shapes having the length, breadth and height, then it is called as three-dimensional shape, right? So here, so many shapes you have seen in your daily life, right? For example, the ball and the cylinder and the water bottle and your geometry box and the bird hat. So these are all in different shapes, right? So these are all examples of the 3D shapes. So let's see the shapes one by one. So first here I show the cube, right? So here each three-dimensional shapes having the face, edge and vertex. Okay. Yes. Then what it mean by the face is the flat surface of the cube is called as its face. Right? Is what you mean by the face? It's a flat surface. Flat surface of the cube is called as its face. Okay. Then next, if the two faces of the cube meet at a line segment is called as edge of the cube, right? So here it is one of the face and it is one of the face. It is also one of the edge, right? Yes. Two faces. Two faces meet at a line segment. Two faces meet at a line segment is called its edges. Okay. Then next, vertex is here the three edges. Here one of the edge, here one of the edge, and here the edge. If the three edges meet at a point is called its vertex. Right? If the three edges of a cube is meet at a one point is called its vertex. Okay? It's right here. Three edges meet at a point is called its vertex. Okay? Yes. Let's see here number of faces and edges and vertex of the cube. Okay? Is see here I have a cube, right? Yes. Once you can see here, it has a three dimensions. So means it is length, breadth and height. It's a length, breadth and height. Okay. So this shape having the three dimensions. So it is 3D shape. Okay. Then count here how many faces are there for this cube. Yes, see here it has 6 faces. Once you count here, so here 1, 2, 3. See here first it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 faces in the upside one of the face and downside one of the face. Totally number of faces for the cube is 6. Yes, cube has faces 6. Okay, then next it has a 6 faces and how many edges are there for this cube? Yes, it has a 12 edges. Yes, see here 1, 2, 3, 4. Then next here 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 9, 10. Then 12, 11, 12. Yes, totally it has 12 edges. See here. First face having the 4 edges and the back face having the 4 edges, right? 4 plus 4, 8, and here it has 2 edges, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. So totally it has 12 edges. Okay? Yes, edges are 12. Then how many vertices are there here? Yes, see here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has 4 vertices and here 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally 4 plus 4, 8 vertices. Yes, a cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Okay, yes. Then let's see the other shape. Yes, then the other shape is a cuboid. Okay, yes, it is a cuboid. So it is also having the 6 faces, right? So it is also having the 6 faces. Once you can see here, there is a 1, 2. As you can see here, 1, 2. So here there are the 2 faces, and here there are the 2 faces, and upper face and lower face. Totally it has a 6 faces, right? Yes. Yes, right here, cuboid. Yes. How many faces it has? Yes, the cuboid has a 6 faces. Once you take your geometry box and count the faces, right? Yes, your geometry box is the shape of a cuboid. Okay. Yes, the number of faces of a cuboid is 6, and also it has a 12 edges. It has a 12 edges. Let's count here. One of the edge, 1, 2, 3, 4. The next 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 11. Sorry, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So it has a 12 edges. And then how many vertices are there in this cuboid? Yes, a cuboid also having the 8 vertices points. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. So it has a 8 vertices. Okay, so it is a 3-dimensional shape cuboid. Okay, then let's see the triangular based prism. Okay, so the name of the shape is triangular based prism. So here the base of the prism is in a triangular shape, so its name is a triangular based prism. Okay, yes. Now see here, this is the 3-dimensional shape. Then how many faces it has? Yes, count here. It is one of the face, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So triangular based prism having the 5 faces. Triangular based prism. Okay, it has 5 faces. Then how many edges are there here? Is count here. 1, 2, 3. Then next 4, 5, 6. Then 7, 8, 9. So it has 9 edges. Okay. Yes. It has 9 edges. Then how many vertices are there here? Yes. It has 6 vertices points. Why? Because triangle having the 3 vertices. So here there are the 2 triangles. So these triangular based prism having the 6 vertices points. Yes. Okay. And then the next shape is triangular based pyramid. Okay. So it is a triangular based pyramid. As you can see here, the base of the 3D shape is in the triangular shape. Hence the name is triangular based pyramid. Yes, can you see how many? Can you say how many faces are there for this 3D shape? Yes, you can see here it has 4 faces, and each face is in the triangular shape, right? Yes, it has 4 faces, and each face has a triangular in shape, right? And how many edges are there for this triangle, for this 3D shape? Is see here 1, 2, 3. So these are the 3 edges, and here are the 3 edges. Totally it has 6 edges. And how many vertices are there here? Is you can say here, you can count here, there are 4 vertices. Okay, is the triangular based pyramid having the 4 faces, and it has 6 edges and 4 vertices points, right? It's right here. Triangular based pyramid. triangular based pyramid having the how many faces? It has 4 faces. And how many edges are there here? Yes, it has 6 edges. Yes, number of vertices of the triangular based pyramid is 4, right? 1, 2, 3, and it is at the 4. Okay, then let's see the other shape. Yes, it is also a pyramid, but the base of the pyramid is in the square shape. So, hence the name is square based pyramid. Okay, square based pyramid. Yes, can you count the number of faces of this 3D shape? Is here it is one of the face and it has a 4 triangular faces. One of the face is square in shape and the other 4 faces are in the triangular shape. Totally how many faces it has? Yes, it has 5 faces. Okay, then count the number of edges. Yes, see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally it has 8 edges. Right? And the number of vertices of this triangular based pyramid. You see here in the square based pyramid the 4 vertices and upside 1 vertices. That is the totally it has 5 vertices. Right? Yes. Let's see the other one. Yes. Have you seen this? It is like a ice cream cone shape, right? So it is the cone shape, right? So the base of the cone is in the circular shape and it has and the other faces are curved in shape, right? Yes. And it has 1 vertices, right? Yes. Can we say how many faces are there for this cone shape? Yes, we can say that one of the face is circular and the other face is curved. Totally it has 2 faces. A cone has 2 faces and the number of edges, it has no edges, right? Why not? It has no edges. Why? Because it doesn't made up of a line segment, so it has no edges. Okay, and the number of vertices for the cone shape is only 1. Okay, yes, it is the cone shape, right? Then let's see the sphere. Yes, have you seen this sphere? Yes, it looks like a ball. So it doesn't have a face. So it has only a single face and it has no edges and no vertices, right? Yes. Then the other shape is cylinder shape. As you can see here, a cylinder has 3 faces. It is top face, bottom face and the curved face, right? Yes. Here the cylinder has only the 3 faces but it has no edge and it has no vertices points, right? Yes. Yes. Is it clear? Yes. These are all the 3D shapes. Okay. Yes. Let's go to solve the exercise 5.9. Exercise 5.9. The first one is match the following. Okay.
First one, cone. Second, sphere. Third, cylinder. Fourth, cuboid. Fifth, pyramid.
Let's go to the second one. What shape is your instrument box? Yes, your instrument box is in which shape? Yes, it is in the cuboid shape, right? Cuboid shape. Right? Yes. Then a brick. A brick is in which shape? Yes, a brick is in the cuboid shape. Right? Yes. Then the third one is a matchbox. A matchbox is in which shape? Yes, it is also in the cuboid shape. what is the shape of this laddu? Yes, that is sphere. Okay. Yes. Up to here we have completed the exercise 5.9 and also we have completed the lesson understanding the elementary shapes. I hope this concept is clear to you. Yes. And also at last we have to write the